guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking an Ace closed shackled padlock. It's a lovely padlock. On the bottom is stamped 304. Not sure if you can see that. Keys are on there so they don't go walkabout, so I'll show you the bitting afterwards. It is locked up. Got to apologise, I'm in quite a bit of pain today. Not through my operations, I've got a trapped nerve in my neck that crops up every now and again, and it literally is a pain. I've not done much picking for a while due to work, so thought with it being a nice quiet Sunday I'd have a go at getting this Ace padlock on video. Start at the back, work to the front, and I adjust the tension every now and again with my finger. I think this has got serrated pins in it due to how it feels with the clicks on the pins and little bits of movement from the tension wrench. So I'll probably gut it afterwards and show photographs. So try get to the back. So to the back, tension on, and it's one of those locks that opens quickly sometimes or takes its time. Nature of the beast with lock sport. So let's start picking. There you go. Bit tight to turn the core. It does go quicker than that. Show the bitting of the keys. See, they're quite up and down. It's fun to pick. Show the keys working. There you go, so that's the Ace closed shackle padlock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.